This is not a movie scene, and this is not real enactment. This is not drama. This is real, and it's happening live in Ilé-Ifẹ, the art of the Yoruba tradition. Today, I'm in Ilé-Ifẹ, the cradle of Yoruba civilization and tradition, and I came here to witness something very sacred in the history of Yoruba, the Obàtálá Festival. Obàtálá is one of the oldest orisha in the Yoruba tradition. It represents purity, calmness, firmness, cleanliness, and honesty. Many believe that Obàtálá was sent by Olódùmarè to shaping humans. As the Àrólẹ Obàtálá arrived, nothing is rushed. Every moment is calm. Every greeting is done with deep respect. This is the beginning of the invocation. These chants are not entertainment. They are prayers spoken in the ancient language of our ancestors. The invocation is a call to peace, a call to clarity, a call to blessings of the land and of the people. You will notice one thing everywhere: white. White represents purity and spiritual calmness. Nothing here is accidental. Standing here, don't just watch the festival, you feel it. You feel the silence, the power, and the discipline behind the tradition. In a fast world, Obàtálá teaches calmness. In a noisy world, Obàtálá teaches restraint. And in a divided world, Obàtálá teaches purity of character. This is not just sculpture. This is identity. This is memory. This is Ilé-Ifẹ. And this is the Obàtálá Festival. If you want more of African stories like this, subscribe and share, because our history deserves to be told.